Let's walk through holy doors. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapit, pandasal muna tayo. After many years, JESCOM has organized the Word Exposed Pilgrimage that will happen this October. The 13-day trip across Rome, Assisi, San Giovanni Rotondo, Loreto, and Cascia kicks off with a retreat by Cardinal Chito Tagle in Rome. Once in 25 years lang nagbubukas ang Jubilee Door sa St. Peter's Basilica, naisip ko na next time ito magbukas, I'll be in my 80s already. Baka first and last chance ko nang makapasok sa Jubilee Door doon this year. Pilgrimages transform us because of the journey itself. When we step out of our comfort zones and leave behind our daily lives and distractions, may magandang nangyayari sa ating spirito. Bawat yapak ay nagiging panalangin at ang ating mga dinadaanan na karanasan ay nagiging pagninilay. Believers have always known that physical movement can lead to spiritual breakthrough. The late Pope Francis called us to be pilgrims of hope in this Jubilee year, walking through holy doors, not just physically, but spiritually. When we make the effort to visit sacred sites, we say yes to grace in a very real way. Pero hindi naman kailangan ng passport upang maging peregrino. You can make your own pilgrimage each day by walking to your parish church with intentional prayer or visiting a local shrine with an open heart. Marami tayong mga simbahan sa Pilipinas na tinaguri ang Jubilee Churches. What matters is the pilgrimage mindset, yung paglapit sa Diyos na may kababaang loob ng isang manlalakbay na naghahanap ng kanlungan sa Panginoon. Tayo magdasal. Lord, give me a pilgrimage mindset even as I go through the motions of my daily life. Allow me to see your hand and hear your voice in the things that unfold during this day. Amen.